Radio plays our favorite song, and it's what keeps me holding on. Maybe do you miss me now that I'm gone? The radio plays our favorite song, and it's what keeps me holding on. Maybe do you miss me now that I'm gone?
3, 2, 1!
Right now, it's when I am on my lunch break. I have an hour to go. Actually, just an hour. Sometimes 45 minutes. But right now, we are going to facial remedy for our face because it's getting hot lately. So, loosely, I only put moisturizer on my face when I leave the house. But today, I didn't have the chance to do that. So, there's no makeup in our face. So, first of all, this is what I have. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, this is Olay. This is moisturizer. Moisturizer. This is my foundation. This is my sunblock. This is my lip gloss. And that's my lipstick. They're all Clinique. And this is for my nose. So, here we go. So, ang unahin natin ay, we are going to use this Sinex Sever. So, usually when I feel like my nose is clogged, it's not clogged right now, but I usually use this Sinex spray for my nose just to make sure that I can breathe right. So, shake it first, and then you're supposed to put two spray in each nostril, but you just do it once, and then so before I touch my face, I will make sure that I have my moisturizer or sanitizer rather to sanitize my hands since I'm gonna be touching my face. That's on my face. Nakakatawa. But we'll just roll these leaves off because it's very... Alright, so now we're going to use tune up sunscreen. So, kinakailangan kung nasa labas tayo, if we are outside, we gotta make sure we use sunscreen on our face, forehead. Yeah, so I don't want to put a lot because I'm pretty much inside most of the time. But also, do you realize that the lights that we use in our inside light, this electric lights, also can cause damage on our skin. So it's the same thing as the sun, but sun is more harsh than being inside. So lagyan natin yan. Kahit ganun lang, okay na siya, diba? See, even if we just do it like that, there's really, do not need to do anything else. My lips is really kind of, so gloss from Clinique. It's a Clinique product. So my lips is very dry right now. It looks so red, right? But if you apply it, there's really none there. This is my to-go items product to use. We don't really, I'm not putting so much makeup. So I don't even need to use the lipstick. The lipstick, Clinique lipstick is not strong or red. It's just for daily use. So see, that's it. You can just do it like that. But today we are going to use, we're gonna use every corner in our face. Like this is Olay Ultimate Collagen 50/24. So this is for sun damage. If you have sun damage on your face, like me, I always put them in the side because this is the area that I always expose more in the sun, especially right now I'm driving. So, and I tend to do this when I'm driving, so I'm trying to minimize the wrinkles that I created because of when you do expression. Even smiling a lot can cause wrinkles, you believe it or not, your neck especially. So I don't want to put a lot, I don't want to overdone it. So what I do is this is a Korean product. Purple Complex Moisturizer Balancing Soothing Cream. It's a soothing cream too. So I'm almost out of these things. So I don't know if it's right there. So this is the one that I kind of put more if I want to. It feels great. I actually bought it in one of those it's like a cosmetic for it's like a clinic that's so cosmetic, and it will read your skin type and everything. So I always put a lot on my neck area, especially because of my age. And my leftover goes to my hands. So there you go. So I don't know if I need to put, this is Tarte foundation. I don't know if I really need to put foundation on my face or not. It looks like I don't have to, but before we put foundation, we make sure that our face is completely dry from the moisturizer that we put. I don't feel like I have to do it, but I have no eyelashes on or anything, so I don't really need to do it, but let's just try a little bit. So it's the Tarte Amazonian product. I don't want to put a lot, so see that? That's all there is to put in. But if I go on party, of course, so use my nose area. Instead of using a sponge, my eyes area, you always if you rub your face, you always do it upward like that. It just make your skin a little bit brighter, especially when you don't have sleep. I have a concealer, but I do not need a concealer right now. I use concealer when I put like a heavy makeup if I go on parties. See that? You can see it, you know. It's the blend in the color of your skin. You see? And then if you want to have a little touch of contour, and if you don't have anything to use to contour yourself, do a contour, you just use this. Just like that, guys. Very easy. It's really easy to do makeup. You're not into, as I said, I do. Sometimes I do like a heavy makeup if I go on parties, especially at nighttime. But otherwise, during the day, I don't really put that much makeup. Especially at work. Sometimes I don't really put makeup at all. I don't, because I woke up so early. You see that? It's so radiant. See? Ganun lang siya, oh. I hope you like this video. If you do, simple putting makeup, easy, breezy.